Okay guys, 22 F150. If you're wondering why you cannot put it in neutral with the door open, dead battery, what have you, this video here is to show you how to bypass that. Underneath the driver's steering column, or driver's side, whatever you want to call it, this panel right here, we're going to fold that down. Folds down from the top and show you what's going on here. Okay, so as you can see, the little bank card did the trick to get in there without marring up that dash, and just got these little clips right here. Obviously one fell out. We'll go ahead and find that behind the dash, but there she is. All we're gonna do is pull that, put her in neutral. There you go. It automatically sets the parking brake, but then you just hit your parking brake switch and you're in neutral. Hope this video helps. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.